Sivakasi, the heart of India's firecrackers industry, is in deep gloom. Due to pandemic and rising pollution levels, multiple states have banned crackers this Diwali, leaving the labourers unemployed. Here's a look at the Crown report by India Today's Akshay Nath.
A blacker Diwali couldn't be imagined. Not here in Sivakasi, the heart of India's fireworks industry. With pandemic and pollution pressure forcing multiple states to ban crackers this Diwali, the industry in this part of Tamil Nadu, famous for its fireworks units, is in deep gloom. India Today visited to take stock of the mood on the ground. Almost every household in this small city is directly or indirectly involved and therefore affected. Small buildings with huge banners of crackers scattered every few meters welcome every new person entering Sivakasi. As we cross the many cracker shops and innovative cracker advertisements and move further towards the outskirts of the city, we reach the manufacturing units. Each unit is separated at least by a distance of 12 meters, and the small single-room workspace has around 4 women in each, sitting and mechanically in lightning speed finishing up the work. Many of them have worked in the industry from childhood, and some after the age of 18. This is the 48-year-old Bhanumati, who has worked for decades in this workshop, but now faces an uncertain future for her earnings. For the people working in the cracker manufacturing industry who face death on a regular basis, this is their only option for livelihood. Like Madhumari, who has worked here since 2009 after she got married.
இந்த வேலையை வச்சு தான் எங்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கை. வேற தொழில் எதுவுமே கிடையாது எங்களுக்கு. ஒரே கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். என்ன செய்ய யார்கிட்ட போய் சொல்ல நாங்க ஒரு வேலையும் செய்ய முடியாது. கவர்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து எங்களுக்கு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. வேற தொழில் இருந்தா கூட நாங்க வேற மாறிக்கிறோம். இந்த ஊர்ல அந்த தொழில வேற தொழில இல்ல.
Krishnamal has been bringing her 21-year-old daughter to the cracker manufacturing unit since she turned 18. Krishnamal, who has been the main bread earner of the family, says everyone has to contribute.
நாங்கள் 2 பேர் மகளும் நானும் பைரஸில் வேலை செய்கிறோம். எங்கள் வீட்டுக்காரர் வந்து ஹேண்டிகேப்பு. எங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்யலாம் ஆள் கிடையாது. நாங்களாவும் வேலை செஞ்சால் தான் எங்களுக்கு சாப்பாடு. வேலை இல்லை அப்படின்னா வாடகை கொடுக்க கூட ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும்.
In most cracker manufacturing factories, 80% of those employed are women. And if the cracker industry gets affected, more than 8 lakh people in the district of Virudhunagar will be affected. This year, because of the pandemic too, the industry has suffered a lot. Even before the Diwali season, 40 to 50% of the entire population has been lost due to the pandemic, says the director of Ion Fireworks, a unit here in Sivakasi.
The pandemic came as a shock to everybody, and the same thing happened to the fireworks industry. We were closed for the period under which the government had advised us to be closed. Once the government asked us to reopen in a phased manner, we did open in a phased manner. After the production started, if a village had a COVID patient, we were advised not to employ people from that particular village. So I can say 40 to 45% of the entire production this year has been lost due to the pandemic.
And at a time when the entire industry is in a tough spot, it has been facing a huge setback, with most of its peak seasons going on without any cracker sales. The cracker industry produces nearly 3,500 crore worth of fireworks every year, and 80% of the produced cracker sales are dependent on Diwali.
Due to corona pandemic effect, all our factories were closed down for past two months. It was closed. Moreover, we employed with the 50% of the workers. So the production was mostly affected, and we have produced only 70% of the production while comparing to the previous year.
With many states blanket banning even green crackers, which have lower emissions, the haze of uncertainty clings to all aspects of life here, and it hasn't been missed on the public representatives.
More than 10 lakh people are depend upon this industry, and directly 6 lakh people works in this industry. For it is a very shocking stage now, because products has been produced from there. It has come to the places it has to be sold. Now suddenly somebody says you can't sell it. Now, where the economy is going to be there?
The manufacturers had hoped the Supreme Court order on green crackers would leave a window open for opportunity. But blanket bans have destroyed that hope too. The industry may survive, but its daily wagers like 40-year-old Mata who live on the edge now with no path forward.
டெல்லி ராஜஸ்தான் இந்த பக்கம் கூட தடை பண்ணிட்டா நாங்கள் இத்தனை லட்சம் மக்கள் வாழ்வாதாரம் பாதிக்கப்படுவோம். இதுக்கு என்ன பதில் சொல்கிறீங்க நீங்கள்? வேலை கரெக்டாக கொடுக்கணும், வேலை இல்லாமல் ஆகக்கூடாது. அங்கிட்டு தடை பண்ணால் நாங்களாம் என்ன செய்ய பிழப்புக்கு?
During Diwali, one of the first things in our bucket list is buying crackers. And these women in Shivakashi work around 300 days a year to ensure that these crackers reach each and every corner of the country. But this time around, with over 5 states already banning the use of crackers, there is a very, very gloomy situation going on in Shivakashi. Even now, these women are continuously, tirelessly working in the hope that people will continue buying crackers. Will this be a gloomy Diwali for the people of Sivakasi is the big question now. With camera person Daniel from Sivakasi, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.